Imagine waking up one day to find that your parents' hard-earned money and property are locked away, inaccessible to you despite being their rightful heir. Sounds terrifying, right? Unfortunately, this scenario is a harsh reality for many. Today, we are diving into a critical issue that every legal heir should be aware of. How to withdraw money and transfer properties after the demise of a parent. Understanding this process is not just important, it could also be the key to securing your rightful inheritance. Before we dive in, let's clear up some common misconceptions. Many believe that being a legal heir automatically grants you access to a deceased parent's assets. But in reality, it is not that simple. The law requires specific procedures, and missing even one step can delay or even jeopardize your claim. Stick around till the end and you'll know exactly what to do if you find yourself in this unfortunate situation. Here's a summary of what we are going to discuss. First, Legal Heirship Certificate, the primary document required for claiming assets. 2. Transfer of bank accounts, steps to withdraw money from the deceased bank accounts. 3. Transfer of property, procedure to transfer property in the name of the legal heir. 4. What to do if your rights are violated, legal remedies available. 5. Recent updates, latest legal changes or judgments relevant to legal heirs. Now, let's break down these points one by one to ensure you're fully equipped with the knowledge you need. To begin with, let's talk about the most crucial document you will need, a Legal Heir Certificate. This certificate officially recognizes you as the rightful heir. It's required for transferring assets like bank balances, insurance claims and property titles. Without it, your claim to your parents' assets might not be recognized. Here are the steps to obtain this certificate. Step 1. Visit the local Tahsildar office or the Sub-Divisional Magistrate or SDM office. Step 2. Submit the death certificate of your parent along with your application form, your ID proof and proof of relationship. Step 3. A verification process will follow where local revenue officials may visit your residence to confirm the details. Step 4. After verification, the certificate is issued. This process usually takes 15 to 30 days. The Supreme Court in Shakti Yadav vs. State of Uttar Pradesh clarified that a legal heir certificate is a must for claiming any government-related benefits. Once you have the legal heir certificate, the next step is to access your parents' bank accounts. The steps involved are: first, approach the bank with the legal heir certificate, death certificate and a written application requesting the transfer of funds. Second, the bank will verify the documents and may ask for a declaration form signed by all legal heirs agreeing to the transfer. Step 3. After verification, the funds will be released. However, if the amount is large, banks may require a succession certificate, especially if there is no nominee. Here is an important note. If a nominee was appointed, they can directly access the funds, but they hold the amount in trust for the legal heirs. Property is often the most valuable asset, and transferring it can be a bit more complex. The procedure to transfer a property is: Step 1. With the legal heir certificate in hand, apply for mutation of property at the local municipal office. Step 2. Submit the death certificate, legal heirship certificate and the last property tax receipt. Step 3. The municipal office will verify the documents and the mutation will be carried out, transferring the property in your name. In Gurudev Kaur vs. Kaki, the Supreme Court emphasized the importance of proper documentation and legal heirship certificates in property disputes. Unfortunately, legal heirs sometimes face disputes either from other heirs or external parties. Here's what you can do. First, file a civil suit. If someone else claims the property or assets, you can file a civil suit for declaration and injunction. 2. Approach the banking ombudsman. If a bank refuses to release funds despite proper documentation, you can approach the banking ombudsman. 3. Seek legal assistance. Always consult a lawyer if you are facing complex disputes. They can guide you through the legal maze and ensure your rights are protected. There's a recent shift in how properties are transferred to legal heirs. The government has introduced digital platforms in many states to simplify the mutation process. For example, in Maharashtra, the e-mutation system allows heirs to apply online, reducing the time and effort required. Moreover, the Supreme Court in Rajeshwari Devi versus State of Bihar emphasized that digital records must be treated with the same legal sanctity as physical records, ensuring a more streamlined process. Navigating the process of claiming your inheritance may seem daunting, but with the right knowledge and documents, it's entirely manageable. Remember, the law is in your side and use it wisely. Here's a recap of what we have discussed in this video. First, obtain a legal heirship certificate. 2. Follow proper procedures for transferring bank accounts and properties. 3. Know your rights and what to do if they are violated. 4. Stay updated with recent legal changes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any questions or need further clarification, drop a comment below. We are here to help you through every legal challenge. Take care and bye.